friends, Santosh here. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. Okay friends, today we discuss tsunami. Okay, tsunami. It is a Japanese word which means harbor waves. They occur due to huge displacement of sea water, and these are a series wave, and they mainly occur due to tectonic change in the oceanic floor. Okay, now we discuss in simple form. Okay, a tsunami is a series of enormous ocean waves caused by earthquake, underwater landslide, volcano eruption, or asteroids. Tsunamis can travel 20 to 30 miles per hour with waves 10 to 100 feet high and causes flooding and disrupt transportation, power, communication, and the water supply. Okay, now causes of tsunami. First one, submarine earthquake. If the intensity of submarine earthquake is 7 or more than on Richter scale, they causes tsunami. Okay, now we discuss in simple words. A submarine under sea or underwater earthquake is an earthquake that occur underwater at the bottom of body of water, especially an ocean. Okay, now second point, plate tectonic. If the one oceanic plate collide to continental plate, or if the two oceanic plate collide with each other, they cause submarine earthquake and tsunami. Okay friends, see the diagram. There are two plates, oceanic plate and continental plate. They both are collide, and oceanic plate bend and goes down. Okay, now third point, submarine volcanic eruption. If the intensity of the submarine volcanic eruption is more than, it will also occur the tsunami. Okay, in simple words, we say that submarine volcanoes are underwater vents or fissures in the earth's surface from which magma can erupt. Many submarine volcanoes are located near the areas of tectonic plate formation known as mid-oceanic ridges. The volcanoes at mid-oceanic ridge alone are estimated to account for 75% of magma output on the earth. Okay friends, see the diagram. It's a submarine volcanic eruption. Okay, down the sea and it erupt. Okay, upside at the sea level. Okay, upwrapping. It's a fourth point, upwrapping or downwrapping in the ocean floor. Okay friends, in simple words, we discuss in simple words. Okay, the slight flexing or bending of the earth crust on a broad or a regional scale, either upward saying is upwrapping, or downward we say downwrapping, the formation of wrap. Okay, if in ocean floor the tectonic upwrapping and downwrapping, so due to which also huge amount of water bodies displaced and cause tsunami. Okay, fifth point, meteoric impact. There are no evidence in present history, but if according to the assumption of the scientists, the 5 kilometer or submerged into the Atlantic Ocean, so huge water displaced, and there is a possibility of half North America submerged. Okay, now we discuss in simple words about meteoric impact. Okay, meteorite impacts happen when the rocks from the space crash into Earth's surface. A meteorite impact on leak behind the water, crater, not water, crater, a large hollow area in the ground that can still be seen thousands or sometimes millions of years later. Okay, now tsunami prone regions. There are two regions, two main regions. First one is Pacific Ring of Fire and second one is Bay of Bengal. Okay friends, first we discuss about Pacific Ring of Fire. Okay, the Ring of Fire, also referred to as the Pacific Belt, is a path along the Pacific Ocean characterized by active volcanoes and frequent earthquakes. The majority of earth volcanoes and earthquakes take place along the Ring of Fire. Okay friends, Now, second one, Bay of Bengal. Okay, friends, second point is Bay of Bengal. Okay, in Bay of Bengal, the tsunami hazard in the Bay of Bengal region, mainly due to the great and major earthquake along the northern Sunda arc where the eastern margin of the Indian plate interact with the Sunda plate. These earthquakes were not associated with any tsunami. Okay, friends, one important points of about Pacific Ring of Fire is that the Pacific Ring of Fire stretched across 15 more countries, including Indonesia, New Zealand, Cuba, and New Guinea, Philippines, Japan, United States, Chile, Canada, Guatemala, Russia, and Peru. Okay. Both zones situated on destructive plate margin. In year 204, tsunami occurred in Bay of Bengal due to the subduction of Indian plate into the Burma's plate. Okay, due to this 9.2 intensity earthquake occurred, which became the cause of tsunami. Similarly, in 2011, tsunami occurred was at Similarly, in 2011, tsunami occurred at Japanese island due to subduction of plate of Pacific into Japan plate. Okay. Now we discuss features of tsunami wave. Okay, friend. First, see the diagram. It's an ocean, and in downward ocean floor, and it is a surface. Okay. Now, first one, the velocity of a tsunami wave is directly proportional to the depth of the sea. Okay, just you see it, proportional. Okay. Second point, it means velocity is maximum in the depth and less in shallow sea. Okay. Third point, the height of tsunami wave is less in deep sea because wavelength is large. Okay. Now, fourth point, the height of tsunami increased in shallow sea. There are two causes for it. First one is in shallow sea, the length of wave is decreased. Just friends, focus on this point. In shallow sea, the length of wave is decreased and height increased. It's a very important point. Second point, the barrier of the continental shelf. This increase the height of tsunami waves. Okay, fifth point, the height of tsunami near coast is 20 to 30 meter. That's why they are highly destructive or disaster in the coastal region. Okay. Sixth point, tsunami wave repeat after some time. Time lay between two tsunami wave is 20 to 30 minutes. Seventh point, before tsunami, the coastal water comes into deep sea and may island emerge. Okay. In simple words, we say that a tsunami is a series of extremely long waves caused by a large and sudden displacement of the ocean, usually the result of an earthquake below or near the ocean floor. This force creates waves that radiate outwards in all the direction away from their sources, sometimes crossing entire ocean basin. Okay, thank you very much, friends, for watching my videos. Okay, bye bye. See you again in my next video with new topic.